Hello everyone and welcome to Miranda Detailing. In today's brief video, I wanted to introduce you to a new app that I have been using, and it is from Square. You're most familiar with their credit card processing, which with some of the older iPhones you could plug it into the port, into the auxiliary port, but now you can use the charger port with a little extension, which is kind of annoying. But now you can also use their wireless and Bluetooth credit card device that also accepts Apple Pay, Android Pay, and chip cards. So check that out in the link description below. I'll have that down there. You're most likely already using it since it's been out for quite a few years now. But they have introduced the Square Appointments app. Now again, that has been out for a while, but for small businesses, perhaps you're a detailer where it's just you and your wife or another friend of yours or maybe one other employee, now you can use this app and it is free instead of paying a monthly subscription for it. Now the beauty of this app is that you can now schedule your appointments, you can notify your customers automatically via email or text, and you can set it up so that you can invoice your customers as well, all in one app. It also works together with your Google Maps or any other map program that you use. But I highly suggest using that app because it really acts as your business accounting. It keeps track of everything, cash, checks, and credit cards, and it makes it easy to be able to print out receipts or email receipts as well. So here's what the app looks like, and you'll notice that I have my customers scheduled in there, and you can set it up to book online on your website as well, which I do have a little button on my services page that says book online now, and you can set it up according to your days, your hours. That way the customers can schedule certain times for your packages determined by your options on that page. So I'll show you here. Here are my packages that I have priced out, and I could probably add a few more in here. All you need to do is add that customer to your contact list, which now you will have all of their information, their phone number, and their email, which is great to have. And don't forget to check out one of my videos up here that I have where you can download for free our acknowledgement form, which is editable, so you can put your own logo, add things, take things away from that form as you see fit. But you can email that form to your customers as well. Now, there's a lot of options in this app, and I really do enjoy using it. It makes things so much easier, and it keeps track of all of your invoices, all of your receipts. That way you don't have to have something separate that you write everything on for your business. Excellent app to use. I highly suggest using that app. It is Square Appointments. That's it for today, folks. I just wanted to show you that new app that I started using for our business. Hope that helps you. Take a look at it, see if that's something that you can use for your business. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. Give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to click that button. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week. We'll see you next time. Take care.
My